Still going past Terminal 21, just finishing up. Off to Robbins. Some beautiful food there. Mangoes. Oh my God, there's some great food. Usually talk a lot of dribble, but it's hit earlier too. What size of this dude? How cool is he? Rev that motorbike, mate. Bloody hell. Tuk-tuks outside the sockets, oh bloody hell. Can't do that.
Sawasdee ka.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Tonight we're walking from Asol Station down to Sukhumvit 11. Let's go! Down the stairs we go. Tell you what, walking up these stairs is hard work. Walking down, so much easier. Every couple of platforms have an escalator, but not all of them. But it's good exercise anyway. Let's keep it going. Alright, outside Terminal 21. What do we got down here? Oh, this little girl holding a puppy dog. Oh my God. Poor doggy. Rev that motorbike, mate. Bloody hell. Right, here we go again, crossing the road. Without getting skittled. So far, so good. And we've crossed. Warm tonight. Some beautiful food there. Mangoes. My God, there's some great food. All good. All clear, mate. You can just bump into me. Oh yeah. Some people are just so rude, man. I know I whinge about it a lot, but bloody hell. Look where you're walking. And don't hold up other people, mate. Just coming up to Cloud 9 now. One of the most popular places in Sukhumvit. Seen? Hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment. I'm pretty new to this, as you can probably tell, so I usually talk a lot of dribble, but hopefully I get better as I go on. 15. What's this? Greens Amsterdam. Oil aroma Thai massage. Pass, thanks. Don't know what was going on there. I think all you guys did, eh? It's passing the Sofitel. There's a lot quieter there now than when I walked past there earlier tonight. There's cars everywhere. Bobo's Club in Bangkok. Nice coffee, mate, all over everyone. Please put your hands over your mouth when you cough, people. It's just common courtesy. That's all I'm saying. There's a sports bar full of people tonight. Absolutely chockers. Down here, there's a little soy down here. Cool little soy down there. Lex last stand. Always a busy place too. Got a lot of farangs.
What happened?
I saw this dude earlier. I gave him a tip earlier too. The size of this dude. How cool is he? I have a whole heap of those on my members' Patreon or something. I've got to make something like that. See what happens, because I've got a ton of those. Well, a lot of tuk-tuks outside the Sofitel, bloody hell. A lot. Let's enjoy. Can't do that. Yes, we're heading towards Terminal 21 again. So there's plenty of people out. Hello. Thank you. Plenty of people out and about tonight. Just outside the Western. Heading through. Hopefully we don't trip over. Because my damn shoelace is undone. Bloody hell. What's going on there? Don't know. Not too sure. Maybe a lot of people checking out or checking in, one of the two. Anyway, concentrate back on the footpath, Jace. Hope yous are all having a good night. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I appreciate it. Oh, here come all those bloody tuk-tuks. Let's push through. That's it. Good work, people. Good work. Let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. Get through here. God. It's hard work doing these walks, I tell you guys. I've noticed this time since I've been here too, there's a lot of Korean, Chinese, Japanese tourists here. Probably more so than Russians at the moment. Haven't really noticed that before, but anyway, it's good to have a good mix. I think it shuts at 10, Terminal 21. Not 100% sure, but I think it does. 10 to 10, 7 days a week. Pretty good effort. There's definitely not much going on here. For watching, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. Makes a huge difference for me, guys. Thanks again. Let's see if we can get that green light. Alright guys, ciao for now.